Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. This is the most exciting part. Stay tuned to learn how to create chords and make a big impact on your audience. When thinking about melody and harmony, consider this metaphor. The melody is the naked person, the harmony represents the clothes he or she wears. The clothes are important because they can totally change one's appearance. As you want clean clothes that suit with your personality, in the same way you want accurate chords that go well with the emotion of your melody. In the second lesson, we identified the key. So the secret thing that you need to know is, for a melody in C major, use the chords in C major. Let me list them for you. At this point, you might want to check out my chords video to understand how chords are built and which chords fit in a key. So each of these chords, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, can be a good choice for a melody in C major. Try them in every order you can and use your ear to decide which one sounds the best to you, which one carries best the emotion of your melody. Here is an example. If your melody has 4 bars, then change the chord at the beginning of each bar and try C to A minor to F to G, then try A minor to F to C to G. Try C to G to A minor to F, or try only major chords like C to G to F and back to G. I can't cover all the chord progressions as there are many out there. Please check my song analysis playlist. I'll put a link at the end of this video to get inspired by the chords used in the most popular songs. Next tip is to follow the emotion of your melody. For sad songs, try first using the minor chords. For happy tunes, try using major chords. This great exercise of trying out different chords with your melody will totally engage you, and it is a great ear training. Sometimes yet it can be tricky to choose the right chord. But the good news is that you can follow some guidelines. Firstly, decide how quickly chords should change. It can be once per bar at the beginning of the bar. It can be twice per bar at the beginning and the middle, or twice per bar with a syncopated rhythm. Let's hear the most famous C to G to A minor to F in these 3 cases. Use your transcription. Which notes are the longest? Which ones are repeating the most in your bar? Which notes are on strong beats? Let's now take an example of a melody in C major. Here's our letter transcription as we learned in the previous lesson. And let's now input the length of each note, S short, M medium, L long. Since the emotion was a happy one, I will make the use of major chords. I like to start the song with the root chord, so C major. As my longest note is E, this is possible as E is a chord tone of C major. Next, I see that G is the longest note and it's on a strong beat, so I can still use C major or use E minor or G major, as all have this chord tone. However, I decided that I want to change chords once per bar, so I don't want C major again, and I would like the song to sound happy, so I will choose the major chord, G. Next, I see that my longest note again on the beat 1 is F, so I can either use D minor, F major, or for the more advanced, a B half diminished. Given the same reasons, I will use F. Finally, my melody lands on C, and therefore I will finish with the root chord, C major. Let's hear now the resulting sound. Great! In the next episode, we will harmonize a melody in a minor key. Don't forget to check the song analysis playlist for more inspiration on chords. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The wise owl salutes you.